That's a funny smell coming from that. I think I'm gonna melt that. I don't really think it's designed for 18 volts, that thing. So it's 71 miles. That seems like that was longer than that, 71 miles.
That's the house address.
Oh yeah, that's why. It was 88 miles in what, 2 hours? Quite smells like sea air up here. So first stop's this pretty cool looking garden centre. It's lot of cool like palms and stuff. Let's get in there, it's going to be really warm in there. You have to put these on to protect your eyes. That is so sharp. These palms are epic, aren't they? There you go guys, that's another thing you didn't know about me. I love palm trees and all this sort of stuff. I think we're going to sit here. So I think Sarah's new M50's turning out pretty well. Picture's coming out good, I think, but I think she's having trouble with it. I think it's a little bit buggy, like the software's a little bit buggy, so like the firmware, I don't know if there's an update for it, but I'm going to have to have a look into that for her because, I don't know, there's certain bits on it that kind of, she's struggling with, I think. It had this kind of annoying kind of menu mode, which is like, I don't know, it just looks a bit unprofessional. It kind of, where every time you change the shooting mode, it would come up with like a sort of guided help thing and you had to press the button on the screen. But you can actually just go into one of these settings here, I don't know where it is now, but you can turn the menu mode to like, you can basically turn them all off so that it just ends up like a proper camera. So you can just flip between video and manual mode like super quick. Yeah, so that's this one. Go into this setting here and then turn off menu display standard and then mode, guide, disable, feature guide, disable. Back in the car. Something else you didn't know about me guys, I'm allergic to walnuts. I don't think there was any walnuts in that food, but my mouth is going funny. Pick your places, look, it's steaming. Basically my shed by the sea. Another thing you didn't know guys, my grandma and my granddad have got a memorial bench on Southwall Pier. So you probably knew I was vegetarian if you watch the videos regularly. What else can I tell you? When I was younger I made a lot of UK garage tracks. That one was actually in the UK top 40. Got to number 28, but we won't go into that.
Party people! Tag team back again. Check it, erect it, and let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. KE's in the house.
Not too bad for someone who's deaf in his left ear. Anyway guys, good day today. Something a little bit different with the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Normal videos will resume shortly. Catch you in the next one guys.